If your iPhone stops charging at 80%, follow these quick steps to fix it. Open Settings, then scroll and tap Battery. Tap Battery Health and Charging to view optimized charging and limits. Check if optimized battery charging is enabled. This can limit the charge behavior. If the 80% limit appears but isn't behaving correctly, toggle optimized battery charging off, then on. If settings look correct but charging still stops, restart your iPhone next. Perform a force restart, press volume up, volume down, then hold the side button until the Apple logo appears. After reboot, reopen battery health and charging and confirm your toggles stayed enabled. Check for an iOS update in Settings General Software Update and install any available updates. If the issue continues, consider resetting all settings or contacting Apple support for deeper diagnostics. Quick checklist: toggle optimized charging, restart, update iOS, reset settings, contact support if needed. If this helped, like and subscribe for more quick iPhone fixes.